Hello, my name is Kiana, Product Manager for our Sony's professional displays. Today we're showcasing at InfoComm the use of our BRAVIA Pro settings. Built on board our display, you can turn your display to whatever configuration that you'd like. So say if you're in a conference room environment and you want to disable all of the features, you want to use a control system instead of IR, we can disable that. We can disable the inputs. In digital signage applications, you can lock down the display so that you ensure that the software runs on boot up every single time, and again, completely tamper-proof. All of this is built on board the display with the help of our Android operating system. In that same interface, what we could do is take advantage of the free onboard applications, starting with the first one, which is BRAVIA Meeting. BRAVIA Meeting is basically an intuitive menu that turns your display into a meeting room or conference room, again, with no set-top box or external things needed. Once you launch, it will take over and it will give you this example of a home screen. All of this is customizable, so you can name it whatever you'd like, and you can also upload your own custom image, video, or even HTML website. It also has automatic input switching. The next solution that we have on board is called multi-display settings. So it's a very easy way without the need of a video wall processor to create a video wall application. We support up to a 5x5 tiling function. All you need is a source device, HDMI splitter, and of course some HDMI cables to get started. And the display will automatically adjust for the gaps in the bezel size for you. And last but not least, throughout the whole booth, we have a bunch of digital signage partners running over the cloud, but if you want just a simple installation, what you could do is use a USB stick for digital signage as well. It's completely free to use. All you have to do is upload the content on a USB stick and the device will start playback. You can create custom schedules and playlists. For more information, please visit pro.sony.